Hi, this is Rozina. If you are new here, you're watching Let's Cook with Rozina. Welcome to this channel. In today's video, we are going to make an easy, quick, and delicious minced beef stew or qimeh, full of flavor. That's right, but you know the only problem with making a delicious minced beef stew or qimeh like this is that many people want to know what is qimeh and where is it from. Keema or qimeh is minced meat in English and it's called qimeh in Farsi language. This dish is inspired from many things and from many places like Iran, India, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and Turkey. Please try this recipe because this is a dish you don't want to be missing.
Excuse me, are you looking for something? Oh, yes, you are looking for some ingredients for today's recipe. Am I right? Okay, don't worry, I have got you covered. Here is everything you will need. Shall we begin? Let's gather the ingredients for today's recipe and create something delicious. 500 gram minced meat. It can be beef or lamb or mixture of both. 2 large onions, finely chopped. Half a cup of washed barberry, or as we say it in Farsi, zereshk. For washing barberries or zereshk, transfer the barberries to a colander and rinse them under cold running water. Then fill a bowl with a cold water and place the colander with barberries inside. Allow the barberries to soak for about 20 minutes. This will help to soften the barberries and loosen any remaining grit or sediment. And after soaking, remove the colander from the bowl and drain the water. Discard the water as it may contain any loose particles. Rinse the barberries again under cold running water and that's it. 1/3 cup of cooked yellow split peas, or as we say it in Farsi, lapeh. And remember, yellow split peas and red lentils are not the same. They are both legumes, but they come from different plants. Yellow split peas have a longer cooking time, but red lentils are known for their quick cooking time. And we'll need 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon beautiful ground cinnamon, salt and pepper to taste, and finally 1 tablespoon steamed saffron or saffron water and 1 lemon juice. To get started, add vegetable oil to a non-stick pan, then add chopped onions. Give a stir and fry chopped onions for about 4 or 5 minutes on medium heat until translucent. Once onions are done, now I'm going to add minced meat. I'm using 500 gram minced beef, but you can use lamb as well, or a mixture of both. It comes out very tasty. Give a mix and cook the meat on high heat for about 8-10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the mince changes color and is well browned, and the fat from the meat has been released. Yum! By the way, the written ingredients is in description box down. When the meat is browned, slightly reduce the heat. Then it's time to sprinkle turmeric, salt, pepper, and cinnamon over the meat and stir for a couple of minutes. So next, for this recipe, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of cooked yellow split peas, or as we say it, lapeh in Farsi language. Okay, after a short Farsi lesson, let's get back to our cooking and mix ingredients together and cook it for 2-3 minutes on medium heat until all ingredients are well mixed. Now I'm going to add half a cup of washed barberries or zereshk to the pan. Zereshk, also known as barberries, are small and dried red berries that are commonly used in Persian cuisine like rice dishes, stews, kebabs, and dessert. They have a tart and sour flavor that adds a unique tanginess to dishes. If you don't have zereshk, there are good substitutes for zereshk, such as dried cranberries with tart and sour flavor and dried currants with tart and tangy flavor. For adding more amazing flavor to our keema, I need lemon juice. So after cutting lemon or lime in half, I put it into the squeezer with the skin side down, and with quick press, the juice will easily come out. Okay, our lemon juice is ready. So I'm going to add lemon juice and saffron water to our keema and gently mix together, just like this. Perfect. Reduce the heat, cover the pan, and cook on low heat for 10 minutes. And our delicious ground beef gheema is ready. You can serve gheema with rice or naan bread. In Iran, we garnish the rice dishes with steamed saffron. Saffron or za'afaran is such a popular garnish for rice in Iran. It adds flavor, color, health benefits, and visual appeal to rice dishes. Well, it's time to serve the dish. I like to use a flat plate like this one for rice and my beef gheema. I usually put my rice on first and then garnish with saffron rice, as it adds more flavor and color to my rice dish, and then followed by minced beef or gheema. But you can do this in any order actually you prefer. You know, everybody is different. You can have this delicious ground beef gheema with rice or with flat naan bread. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and please don't forget to give this recipe a thumbs up.
As you watch the video, this recipe is very easy to make. It's amazingly flavorful and beefy dish. And I really hope you give it a try and make it and eat it properly. Did you enjoy the video? Yes, really, I'm so happy about it. So see you in next one. God bless and lots of love. Bye.